3 time management secrets for you to become most productive and to know your self-worth. Hi, I'm Dr. Sreeveni, an author, an image specialist and a transformational catalyst for self-transformations, a self-worth influencer. My dear friends, have you ever wondered what are those 3 time management secrets? Number 1, identify your time wasters. Where is that you're wasting your time? First and foremost, become self-aware. It could be your mobile where you are scrolling up all the time, or it could be your TV where you are watching that unmindful something which is not making you productive. Or see to it that where you are just chatting mindlessly to some people and you are not making aware of your time. These are the time wasters. Identify your time wasters, jot it down and become aware of your time wasters. The second, time enhancers. What do you mean by time enhancers? These are those activities which help you make your time much more productive. Probably you would want to listen to some music when you are doing something creative and constructive. Few of you must be having that habit of listening to something. Probably you want to rejuvenate yourself. Maybe you want to go to a spa, or maybe you want to while away in a garden looking at the small children playing. This would have rejuvenated yourself and regenerated the thoughts, the creative patterns. These are time enhancers. Identify what is that and enhance your time. Go and jot it down and make the best use of it. And the last one, time planning. How would you plan your time? Most of you say plan, but how? Nobody tells you. What I would like to tell you is chunk it down into 1:2:3. In a day, do major one task which is taking maximum of your time. Take it as one major task for a day. Take only one major task, my dear friends. Two medium tasks which where you will have to invest a little time, little in the sense maybe half an hour or something, just beyond half an hour, and then 2 segments of that you could actually do in a day. Probably plan in the morning one and in the evening one. And 3 small tasks. Small tasks should not take you more than 5 to 10 minutes in a day. If you are chunking your day down and planning it 1:2:3, that means 1 major task, 2 medium tasks and 3 small tasks in a day. Look at how your day is actually progressing ahead much more productively. Watch it by continuous practice. Within a week, you will get your day in your control. You are sorted, and if you repeat this progressively, my dear friends, you will master yourself and your time. These are the 3 secrets for you to time management, for you to become more productive and also to know your self-worth. Why? As you are doing this, you would know where you are actually able to do, and that is your self-worth. My dear friends, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.